Hi my friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufactures. I hope all are safe and doing great. My friends, today I'm going to show you a formal classy, especially for the working ladies. Today I'm going to show you the unique varieties from the cotton segment, and this saree specialty is you'll get a cut blouse with the matching, and it looks very beautiful when you stitch and wear the saree. And these collections, if I talk about the range of customer friendly 500 to 600, and for this summer cotton resellers, you have to keep all the unique varieties and keep stock, because it's a fast moving selling product of cotton sarees. And we do have a customers at the live counter. When you visit, you can also have a lot many ideas in the segment of collections where you can purchase from this cotton saree. It starts from 99 rupees and you have a highest collections of 1000 rupees of printed collections. If I talk about with blouse, it's around 280 to 300, and without blouse it starts from 99 to you have a 300 to 350 range of sarees. Today I brought for you the friendly budget around 500 to 600 range of collections. Subscribe the channel and quickly, before getting out of stock, add into your business. And teachers, professors, you can also have these collections and you can share with your friends also in schools, in colleges. Every teachers will have a group, right? So let's see the varieties. So quickly we'll see the samples. The first pretty saree, which is a bottle green. This pattern, you have a Malai Kalamkari covered print of mango leaf, and you have this kind of bottle green blouse. And if I talk about the next saree, this is the code. In one code you have a different design and different colors also. You can note down it. Mahima is the code. You have a caramel blouse with a print, butta print, and multi floral design. This also you'll get it different design and different color in one code. If I talk about the Christmas tree pattern printed and the classy, which is beautiful ash color, and you have this kind of black border with a floral print. This is a maroon color. So this also you got it. And if I talk about the black with maroon color, so maroon with gapless border, beautiful sarees in this pattern. So you have all exclusive varieties. So in this segment you can purchase. So you have a color charts. If I talk about the next saree, you have a brinjal color, the purple color shade, and the dark covered print of sunfloral, and you have a mini gap borders. Beautiful saree. This also you can purchase. So in this also you will get the color charts. So if I talk about the next saree, official color, the dark grey with mud grey with combination of mud black. So lovely print, very mini print you can see, and the bold border with the blouse with the border also. You got it on the same saree. So if I talk about the settle color, you have a small print. In the small mini print, you can see the with running blouse, the combination, the zigzag pattern, you can see the border in saree and even blouse also. Contrast color body and contrast color running blouse. You have a brown color plain, and you have a dark orange with the dark brownish color shade. So Malai Kalamkari. So in this pattern also you can purchase. So these kind of varieties, today I've showed you the all official formal color, the formal and classy look, my friends. So subscribe the channel. If you want to start a cotton segment business, clothing business, you should have a friendly budget varieties to have a huge margin in profit at your business. And for this summer, January to when December, I talk about huge period is Feb, March, April, May, June. So this is a selling peak period where you can have a multiple varieties at your business. Hope you enjoyed these varieties. No quality doubt, no quantity doubt, and try to visit Doriwala opposite to Surat Railway Station next to Mohan Sweets. And if you don't know to do the business, you can contact our online team or visit. When you come here, the sales team will guide you and you can select the collections based on your location. So we do have online purchase, video calling purchase 20 to 25. You can buy the samples also, you can have a look. So next regularly you can purchase. And my friends, if I talk about the Kesaria manufacturers, you can find out the social media pages, website, and we have every segment of from children from born babies to men collections up to side away, party wear. royal premium collections, wedding varieties, multiple saree segments, even men also. So these kind of varieties, if you want to buy, please visit once Kesaria Manufactures. And if I talk about the new subscribers, new viewers you're watching, please fully you can watch the video and you can understand the product price range, whatever I'm sharing with you, then you can share the comments. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. So, and share the link with your friends, relatives who is really interested to have a clothing business. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye-bye.